Something interesting that I don't think a lot of people know is that gravity is very similar to electricity. Both forces follow an inverse square law. Both exert forces through fields, and both attract, although electricity repels as well. We know that gravity attracts. It's what keeps us on the Earth, and it's also what keeps the Earth together. So this is what the forces look like from far away. But what if we looked at everything from the surface? Everything appears to be falling in one direction, down. So it looks more or less like this. Now let's look at some examples of electricity. By convention, we draw the arrows towards the negative and away from the positive. The negative particle looks exactly like the Earth does with the gravitational field lines. The similarities continue if you imagine two oppositely charged plates and the field lines between those plates. It looks exactly like the gravitational field at the surface of the Earth. Another example that you could look at to see the similarities would be two planets that are identical. The field lines would look like this. There is a point where the forces between the planets are perfectly equal and opposite, meaning there is a net force of zero, and because these planets are identical, that point is directly in the middle. Now let's draw two negatively charged particles. They're charged an equal amount and they're negative, so the arrows go towards and it looks like this. This is exactly what the last diagram looked like, and as you might have guessed, there's an area between these two particles where the net force is zero. Again, it is right in the middle of them. This is how gravity and electricity are really quite similar.